Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. And guys, today I'm gonna make some candle holders for you. I have these beautiful candle holders. I got them from the Dollar Tree. Look how beautiful they are. They are like turquoise. I got these beautiful smaller candle holders from a dollar store, and these are some beautiful roses candle holders. I got them from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna use this one as well from the Dollar Tree. I got these from a dollar store, and I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna add it on top like so. I have some rhinestone mesh. Got it from the Dollarama. You need your E6000. I have my glue, and I have some extra gems here. This one is from the dollar store, and this one is from Walmart. And I have this like turquoise blue. I'm gonna add some as well. So for my base, I'm gonna add some of this glass gem. I'm gonna use this mirror right here for my centerpiece base, and I'm gonna add this candle holder in the center. Now with these two candle holders, I'm gonna glue them together, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of this on the top. Now I'm gluing it right around, continue, and I'm gonna fill the top. And this is how it's looking so far. Now I'm gonna glue it on top. Make sure you get it even. While this part is being dry, I'm gonna add some rhinestone and some of this one to the bottom. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some to this part like so. Now I'm gonna go in with this blue, and I'm gonna fill in the spaces. And that's it, guys. That's the base. And now I'm gonna add about a strip or two around the middle right here. Now I'm gonna add one row of this one right in the crease. And I'm adding one row to the center. Now I'm going to jump straight into glue on these pieces. And I'm gonna set my rose on top. Now I'm gonna use this beautiful mesh. I'm gonna add a row right here, and I'm gonna put some up on top. So this is it. I'm going to set it aside to dry, and I'm going to move on to the next one. Now I have one candle holder again, and I'm going to add one of this one on top. Next, I'm going to add this one on top. And then I'm going to set this one just like that. And then I'm going to add one more, and I'm going to turn it up. I'm going to set this to dry, and I'm going to line the middle and this part just the same as how I did the first one. And now I'm moving on to the last piece. I'm going to add one of these again. And now I'm going to add this one on top. I'm going to add a little bit of rhinestone around here and here. Then I'm going to clean it up, and then I'm going to show you the final result. This is the final result. My beautiful candle holders are centerpiece, good for wedding, for party, for birthday, anniversary, any celebration, or just a home decor. Look at it, guys. Beautiful and nice. Look at my details. My turquoise candle holders, centerpiece, beautiful and nice. Look at it, guys. With each of the candle holders, I do them a little bit different, but everything tied together the same way. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Please remember to like and subscribe to my channel. One love, and be blessed, and put God first.